Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Embrace the rustic romance, French country garden design ideas. The French country garden, or jardin de campagne, is a celebration of rustic charm and effortless elegance. It's a style that feels both refined and wonderfully lived in, as if it has grown gracefully over generations. This design philosophy shuns rigid formality in favor of a more romantic, productive, and beautifully untamed aesthetic. Imagine a space that blends the bounty of a kitchen garden with the delicate beauty of old-fashioned flowers. It's a sanctuary that appeals to all the senses, from the scent of lavender to the taste of a sun-warmed tomato. If you long for a garden that feels both poetic and purposeful, these ideas will guide you in cultivating your own slice of the French countryside. The heart of a French country garden lies in its artfully disorganized and densely planted beds. The goal is to create a tapestry of texture, color, and fragrance that feels both abundant and natural. Start with a foundation of classic, romantic perennials like roses, lavender, and delphiniums, which provide structure and recurring blooms. Intermingle these with annuals such as cosmos, poppies, and nasturtiums to ensure a long season of vibrant, ever-changing color. Don't forget to include edible plants, artichokes, rosemary, and sage add striking foliage and practical purpose. Finally, allow plants to spill gently onto pathways, softening hardscapes and enhancing the garden's romantic, slightly wild spirit. The pathways and structures within a French country garden should look as though they have been there for ages, gracefully aging with time. Opt for natural, local materials like gravel, old brick, or stone set in loose patterns for pathways, encouraging a leisurely stroll. Define spaces with low, dry stone walls or aged wooden fences, which provide structure without feeling imposing. A charming weathered wooden arbor or a simple wrought iron bench offers a perfect spot to sit and enjoy the view. For a truly authentic touch, include a stone bird bath or a sundial covered in a patina of moss. These elements work together to create a sense of history and timelessness that is essential to the style. The final layer of charm in a French country garden comes from the decorative and functional accents scattered throughout. Look for vintage items with a sense of history, such as a rusty watering can, a terracotta pot with a hairline crack, or a wooden ladder used as a plant stand. A focal point like a simple tiered concrete fountain can provide the soothing sound of trickling water, enhancing the garden's tranquil atmosphere. Let practicality shine through with a small, weathered bistro set tucked under a tree, perfect for an afternoon coffee. Even everyday tools like a beautifully worn wooden wheelbarrow can be left out as part of the decor. These personal touches make the garden feel uniquely yours, a collected and loved outdoor room.